Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. This is Dhruti Sundar Jana, working as a associate of Delta Pharma, Top Time Consumer Private Limited. Actually, I am very lucky to work in this organization because for the first time, Panchtulsi formula was constructed by our scientists, and we are the only Panchtulsi in India that is patented. And particularly in the scenario of COVID and all other lifestyle diseases, just managing diabetes, managing cold, fever, managing any bacteria, and managing particularly the spread out diseases in India. Particularly 21% of spread out diseases are due to bacterial water and polluted water, chemicalized water. And Panchtulsi is the best way to refine the fresh water, and it is remain for 14 days. It is very luck for us, and we are the branded company, and for 14 days the water is 100% non-acidic, out of pH acidic. And I have used Panchtulsi in COVID scenario, and when I already mild COVID also affected me, and after using every day in the empty stomach, I used Panchtulsi in the lukewarm water, and I got result. I do not take any type of allopathy medicine for this purpose. And another experience is that when I am in Odisha, particularly in Chandbali, so I ride my bike, and infectious insect just injected me, and I used Panchtulsi, and I got the result. 100% cure is there. And in Chhattisgarh also, for a thyroid patient, I given Panchtulsi for 1 month, 3 times for gargling and 3 times for water, in lukewarm water it is to be taken, and she got 100% result.
कहते हैं हमको प्यार से टॉप टाइम वाले सबके